Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you having trouble with granting camera access on your apps because the configuration is missing in your settings? In this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem in order to regain camera access on some of your apps. Let's go. Normally, most apps that utilize camera ask for permission when you launch them for the first time after installation. However, if you initially declined granting it camera access, it's quite unlikely that it will prompt for permission again when you reopen the app. Fortunately, you can still manage to allow camera access to your apps. To do this, open Settings. Browse through the list and choose the app you wish to provide camera access to. Then, simply toggle on the camera from the available configurations. However, you might encounter where the camera toggle is either not amongst the options or is disabled. In that case, you can follow the steps that I will explain next. For some instances that the toggle is disabled or it's missing entirely, the first thing you must check is the camera restriction. Go back to Settings, select Screen Time, and navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Choose Allowed Apps from the menu and make sure that the camera toggle is enabled. Next, return to the Settings main page and this time select Privacy. Tap on Camera and make sure that you have allowed camera access on certain apps by simply switching on the toggle beside each. If all relevant settings are configured properly but you still can't grant camera access to your apps, the next thing you can do is to force restart your iPhone. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. If you're having trouble with the camera access on a certain app only, then the best solution is to just reinstall it. This way, you can reconfigure the camera access permission when you launch it after reinstalling. There is also a possibility that this error occurs due to some outdated features on your iOS. Therefore, if deleting and reinstalling the app still don't resolve the problem, you can try updating your device to the latest iOS version to resolve any bugs that may be affecting your iPhone's performance. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings, select General, and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. Unfortunately, if the problem persists even after updating to the latest iOS versions, resetting the location and privacy settings will be your last resort. To reset, open Settings, go to General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and choose Reset Location and Privacy. After the reset, all apps that have been allowed permission on your location or privacy settings like your camera will be reverted back to factory defaults. Now, you should be able to reconfigure the camera access settings for your selected apps. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.